Okay, so I've had a bit of a fly infestation, like fruit fly infestation. So I've like cleaned inside and now I'm taking all my rubbish out, which, well, to be honest, it needed doing anyways. But this is just a very great excuse, and I've been very busy flapping a towel about and trying to kill them all. It's a bit disgusting, I'll be honest. So I've been leaving all the hatches open as much as I can. It's supposed to rain, so I think I need to close them before I leave, but yeah, you know, get the gist. Maybe at the shop I can find some disinfectant spray or something. Also been pouring boiling water down the drains. Yeah, just anything to get rid of them, really. So, yesterday I got into this marina. Editing Hazel here. Sorry, I didn't film anything of me leaving my anchorage or going to town or arriving here even. So I'm trying to make this as concise as possible. So last night I arrived here in Ribadesella on the north coast of Spain. And now I've got a couple of projects lined up. Not a bad place. It's got a washing machine, that is very good for me. But got a little boat project this morning. So I've got this ring here these are the parrels, they're attached to it, and these are the lazy jacks. Those are the only things that are attached to it, but the ring is loose, like it keeps sliding up, if you see that. And that's not ideal. So I'm gonna see if I can, I'm not really sure why the ring is there, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna see if I cannot just attach these to the mast step. Like, there's already some things here. The halyard is attached to it. This is the yard haul over there. And then this is the down haul. Well, it keeps the last button down. So I think it is the down haul. And these are my lifelines. So there's not a lot of space, but I can probably put these on the same shackles. I think I can double up on the shackles. I think that will work. I don't see why not, really. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I think this could go in here. This one go on here, maybe. And then the last parrot on this side. Go on. Release. I don't think it's a big of a deal. I feel like that could work. I don't see why not. I took a picture before, so I'm going to take a picture after. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Now, the purpose of the ring is to, like, get them up higher, but I don't think they need to be necessarily, so I guess I'll know once I've set the sail. It is pretty calm, maybe I can set it today actually. Seems to work. this is the marina that I've been staying in, and it may not actually look like it now, but last night it was pretty swelly. Like, there's no wind, but obviously it's quite windy out at sea, so the swell is coming in here, and so it's pretty rolly. And I'm actually seriously considering, okay, that seagull is just eating a whole bird, okay, but I'm actually seriously considering going to the other marina that it's like 1 mile from here, in Gijon as well, or Gijon, but it's supposed to be protected from the northwest, whereas this is not really. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. The marina office opens at 9, so I'll have to talk to them. But yeah, I guess you can kind of see the swell coming in here. It really doesn't look like much, but it feels like a lot on the boat. And it's supposed to get worse, like tomorrow. At the moment it's supposed to be like 1.7 meters out beyond the wall. But tomorrow it's supposed to be like 2.6 I think, or something, so it's gonna get worse. Yeah, so these are my thoughts. Ta-da! So the marina that I was thinking of is about a mile in that direction. I think you can just about see the masts on the camera. So yeah, it's a bit out of town, like it's in the industrial bit, which is why I didn't go there initially, but the wind's also supposed to come from the northwest. That's north about. So that is west. So I do think it's going to be more protected. I think this is a good choice of what I'm doing. Paragon, they are currently quite close. They're somewhere out there, should be arriving noonish. So my plan is to get there before they arrive so that I can help them with their lines. I mean, they'll be quite tired, I'm sure, from their journey. So I want to help as much as I can. Yeah, this is my plan. Might be a bit risque leaving with the swell. I don't know if that's true, but yeah. And look at that, I've moved to a new marina again. This one was only a mile away, so this is Yates Marina, still in Gijon. But the previous marina where it was actually a bit swelly. So yeah, I have moved and I am here now, and really exciting. My friends Jake and Mo should be arriving pretty soon. They're gonna come here to this marina as well, and I'm gonna take their lines. I've been watching the AIS, watching them come in, so I'm really excited for that. Yes, I can see them. You can just about see their mast going along the wall there. Oh my god, yay! The Sandman's head in mine. Being offered the life for someone I was to become. A place of money and pleasure turned out to be just me. Hidden under the veil you picked out on my birthday, where I felt from it. best of my abilities, to the best of my abilities, to the best of my abilities. That is Paragon right there. We are neighbors once again, reunited. I've been spending a lot of time like going into town, which is beautiful, and going to the beach, and I've started to learn surfing, which has been really, really fun.
No, you go for it, you super little popcorn dude. You're gonna wipe the counter that way. But you should put a cutting board underneath that. He likes our boats. He's like to run around Paragon.
No hace falta prelavado para un super resultado.
Siempre me actividad y ahora me tocan. Me gustaría saber que están seguros cuando se...
Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you so much to everyone for watching. The music in this video is by me, as always. Thank you to my amazing patrons for supporting me. And of course, thank you to Drake and Mo for being in this video. If you don't know them or their channel, Drake Paragon, I've put the link to them in the description box below, so please check them out. Okay, that is it. Hope you guys have a lovely 2 weeks. See you next time. Bye!